Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the QQQ ETF. We previously shared an overview on our website on Tuesday, February 13, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's essential not to miss any crucial updates that could significantly impact your investments. To further enhance your trading decisions, we invite you to try our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is meant for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has ranked the stock ticker QQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.58. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, QQQ has exceeded our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 8.02% since we first recommended buying it 27 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has achieved a daily return of 0.3% since it was listed as a hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 12.64% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 9.80% to 15.30%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 36.07% change over the next year, with a potential return between 20.03% and 39.07%. This suggests a price range of $514.40 to $595.97 after 12 months. Our latest update on the QQQ ETF reveals a weaker technical forecast as it has been downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, February 13, 2024, the QQQ ETF price experienced a decline of 1.56%, dropping from $435.34 to $428.55. Throughout the day, the ETF price fluctuated by 1.4%, reaching a low of $425.33 and a high of $431.27. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 0.76% gain, but the price has been moving up and down. The volume of shares traded increased by 31 million on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could be seen as an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $27.34 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 64 million shares traded. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $439.14, while the lowest price was $285.19. Currently, the price is 2.41% or $10.59 below the 52-week high, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Let's take a look at the signals for QQQ. The QQQ ETF currently has a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This means that although the short-term average is higher than the long-term average, indicating a positive forecast for the stock, there are some mixed signals. If the ETF continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $431.68. On the other hand, if it falls, the long-term average will provide support at approximately $417.11. A break above the short-term average will signal a buy, while a breakdown below the long-term average will signal a sell. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 9, 2024, resulting in a 1.94% decline so far. This suggests a further fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the ETF in light of these factors. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's indicating a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was generated 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands, there was a buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, it indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, it generated a sell signal 29 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 27 days ago. Long-term moving average, it indicated a buy signal 70 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it generated a buy signal 57 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ has found support from accumulated volume at $421.18. This level can present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. In general, this ETF tends to have controlled movements and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. Over the last day, the ETF had a price range of $5.94, which is a 1.4% difference between the high and low. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 0.98%. Before we explore the optimal trading levels for QQQ, let's start by understanding some fundamental data that plays a significant role in making informed decisions. One of the essential metrics to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This ratio helps us assess a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio could indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Today, we'll analyze potential day trading levels for QQQ. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $429.01. If you're not currently holding any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to break before entering a position. And for those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its initial support level at $421.18. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. For this investment, we recommend setting the stop loss at $412.95, which represents a decrease of 3.64%. This particular ETF exhibits low daily movements, providing a lower level of risk. We have also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 2 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? The QQQ ETF currently shows several negative signals, which may make it a sell candidate. However, considering the possibility of a turnaround, it could also be seen as a hold candidate or one to accumulate while waiting for further development. Although there are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, February 14th, we anticipate the QQQ ETF to open down by $0.167 and begin trading at $428.38. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to assume full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to share our current view of the stock with you. We value your opinion, so please let us know if you agree or disagree in the comments section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And speaking of targets, what's your target for the ETF? Share it with us. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We're here to help you succeed in trading. Have a wonderful day, and best wishes from all of us here at StockInvest.